Morning everybody, it's day 57 and we just left our tent spot at the Thomas Knob shelter. No ponies came to bother us last night, and it actually didn't rain that much, but it's showing that it's going to rain all day. In fact, it's starting to sprinkle right now. So we've got ambitions of a big day, probably like 20 miles or so, but I don't know, you never know with the rain, so we're just gonna take it one step at a time. But hopefully we see some ponies, and also we're about to pass mile 500, so that's super exciting. And we have like a stellar view this morning. I don't know what that giant mountain is, but it's pretty nifty. All right, well, we're gonna get going and I'll check back along the way. Not a bad morning view. Clouds are tucked between all the mountain ridges. Looks really cool. We made it! And obviously we're listening to 500 miles to celebrate. Awesome. Moody morning in the Grayson Highlands. And we also just had like a kind of wicked rock scramble. You can't tell on camera, but it's kind of intense. But on our way to see some ponies, so it'll be all right. We found, actually I don't even know if you can see it on camera yet, just wait. We found ponies, a whole little squad. You can kind of see them. It's so misty this morning. Oh, this one is walking directly towards us. He slips, I'm scared. Hello. Wait, I'm scared. Is it gonna bite us? Hello. Oh my gosh. Okay. We're not supposed to pet you. Oh, no, that's not for you. Good morning. The ponies have a little welcoming committee, I guess. Wow. Look, there's a baby. A lot of pony poop though. Aww. Look at the baby. This one's coming back. He said, let me try to eat your trekking pole again. Yeah, he wants that trekking pole.
Nope, not me. Not me. Hi. Hello. What is on there that is so interesting to you?
That one looks emo. He's got like the emo fringe. Aww.
Wait, are they biting each other?
Are y'all kissing or fighting? Oh, oh,
Oh, oh, oh. Let's go now.
all right. I suppose we better get on.
Oh, the babies.
Oh. Unfortunately, don't think we're gonna have any stellar views today because it is raining, but the ponies are all we need, so we'll make it. Wow. Thank God there's a bridge. More ponies in the distance. I don't know if we're gonna pass them or not, but we'll see. There's a baby back there. More ponies. There's lots of them right up here. Wow. Look at all of them right on trail. Look, there's the white blaze. And there's all the little ponies, 3 babies too. All right, time to make our way through the ponies. Hello. They're right in the middle of the trail.
Yeah, I don't want to.
Oh wait, they're kind of moving. Okay. Okay. Oh, can we finally get some views? Still sprinkling, but yeah, at least it's cleared up a little bit. Cloud rolling in. Looks pretty cool. If I had more time, I'd do a time lapse and watch it roll, but it's moving pretty slow. Hello again. Slips and I are camped out under some random sign and some random road. It has been raining all day. Literally since 7 a.m. it has not stopped raining. And it's only gotten progressively harder as the day goes on. And now we're at this road, which we don't have phone service, but we know we're like somewhat close to Marion because we're planning on going into Marion, Virginia tomorrow. And so now we're sitting here like debating on whether we go out here and try to hitch on this rainy highway just to get into town. We're trying to embrace the suck because, you know, that's what everybody says on that AT, just embrace the suck. But this is miserable. Like, we've for sure had more rain today than we've had accumulated over our entire hike so far. Like, for real. So, and we still have like 6 more miles. Ugh. Oh man. Everything is fine. We're doing just fine. Hello everybody. We are at the Econo Lodge from Marion, or in Marion. And while we were at the trailhead joking about hitching, the trail maintainers that were up on trail actually came down and said that they were heading in that direction. So we hitched a ride with them into Marion, and someone in our group was in Marion anyways, going to the urgent care. So we figured might as well go ahead and get off, like avoid the rain, meet back up with her. That way we stay together and then hop back on. So we're here at the Econo Lodge, and then we're gonna take a 0 today. Today is actually the day after when I'm posting this. But we're gonna take a 0 and then hop back on trail tomorrow. So we are taking care of all of our town chores and just trying to rest up today and whatnot before hitting the trail again tomorrow. Time to go find some coffee. Making a town dress out of my new silk liner. Honestly, it's kind of like a look. It's kind of good. I'm sending home the town shirt that I bought, so this will do. Yes, girls, work those town dresses. Got food, DoorDash to the laundromat. Alrighty, shipping home my down booties, my beanie, my gloves, my town shirt, my pillow, camp soap that I've only used once so far, and an extra cord that I had. Give them a show. How's it look?
Great.
Does my butt look big?
No, not at
How
all.
about my hips?
No, you look so slim.
Fits perfectly. Alrighty, everybody, it is the end of day 58, and we have had just a lovely couple days of resting. Yesterday we came into town kind of unexpectedly, but it ended up working out because currently the trail is underwater. We saw a picture of somebody that was hiking on the trail that was literally like waist deep in water, and that is just not something I'm interested in doing. So it ended up working out that we got off trail earlier yesterday, and then we zeroed today. We had a busy morning getting all of our trail chores done, doing laundry, resupply, all that fun stuff. And then just kind of had some time to rest this afternoon. We watched some movies, and Salts has returned. And so her husband is actually here with her, and he is going to slack pack us tomorrow. So we have a big day planned for tomorrow, maybe like 22, 23-ish miles slack packing. So we're going to try to wake up and hit the trail pretty early in the morning. So be sure to check back then. Talk to you guys later.